Happy calendar time. Here we go. Let me hear you repeat after me. The month is September. I am noticing that yesterday was the 8th day of September. If yesterday was the 8th day of September, then I know today is the 9th day of September. I am noticing that there's a happy face for tomorrow. Don't forget about picture day. So exciting. Let's notice while we're here, what day of the week is it today? Go straight up. I see that today is you guessed it, it's Wednesday. So let's go over to our days of the week. Today is, what did we say it is? Wednesday. Awesome job. Today is Wednesday. So let's think in our brains. If today is Wednesday, then let's hop backwards to yesterday. What was yesterday? Did I hear you say Tuesday? That's correct. Yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday and today is Wednesday, then tomorrow will be Thursday. Help me read this sentence, please. Tomorrow will be Thursday. It is our second day of school, so we are going to drag up another one. How many ones do we have now? We have 2, because it is our second day of school. Because it is our second day of school, we need to pull down 2 cents. It doesn't make any sense to pull down 10 cents. We haven't been here 10 days yet. So let's pull down 1 cent and 2 cents for our second day of school. Here are our trick words. I want to hear you nice and loud. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Here we go. Of, he, and, we, is, has. I hope that you are faster than me on those. How fast were you? Yesterday, we practiced counting by tens. Today, you will notice that I have highlighted the 5s and the 10s. We're counting by 5s today. Parents, if you notice that your child is having difficulty skip counting, this is something we want to go ahead and start practicing, as these skills were covered in kindergarten and first grade. All right, friends, I want to hear you count with me all the way to 120. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Super job, you guys. See you later.